Hello guys again for another tutorial. In this tutorial, I gonna show you how to use the color trigger in Geometry Dash. Yeah, I'm playing Geometry Dash in AZ in the fourth pose or second pose. But but I said it. I'm playing Geometry Dash. So let's start the tutorial. Here you see call. You're gonna place on that and pick a color you want, BG, and boom. But the G is blue, so we need to edit again that, copy and paste, and select G1 and boom. If we start here, yeah, like that. And we have apples like full color, so and you can change the color do you want. Be- um this uh is different to the color trigger because this is false. Now you can edit the fade in to silence or 300, I mean 3.40. I gonna silence the that and hold anything, I mean hold the color and fade out. You can edit this to like this, but I have a better way to fix that. Type -1 or download 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 this mod here if you are using Geode, and you can add you can minus edit to here, but you gonna click that and go here and unlock all icons, or but copy this. I check no clip on, boom boom bam bop boom, and boom 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 boom, and creator boom boom boom, boom. Huh, this here I turned on that because I want like this or this or this spike here, and go to edit and scale like that, and go to bigger one, boom, like that. So uh soon in step 2 I gonna post a level called called nightmare version. Here the ID is 125280542 version 2. You can search that here or the ID. Uh, okay. That if you want here those who comment play that. Okay, we're gonna play that. I have no clip, but this is a hard, tough level. So back to the tutorial. Pulse is uh go. This is the easier way to. It means infinite. So we go here. Wait, VG boom silence and the 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 fade out is infinite. So this is not gonna stop because it's infinite. It's gonna show mix because it's RabTab gonna say it's a bug and so he gonna delete that, but it's a mod. Okay, see you to the next tutorial. To the next tutorial is Minecraft tutorial. So this geometry dash tutorial I created this because I addicted to geometry dash. So healing on. Bye. Have a great time.